Hi there, welcome to Kapow WoW Learning. And today we're going to be looking at the column method, multiplication, 2 digits multiplied by 1 digit. So let's do this. So here we have 13 multiplied by 3. So we're going to take that 3 and we're going to multiply it by that 3 there in the 13. So 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. So we're going to put the 9 directly under. Then we're going to multiply the 3, but this time's by the 1 in the 10th. So we're going to do 3 multiplied by 1. So the answer is 3. So the answer to 13 multiplied by 3 is 39. Here's another example, 32 multiplied by 4. You can play this, pause it, and then play it, see if you got it correct. This is what you should have done. 4 multiplied by 2, that's easy, is 8. Now, we put the 8 in. What number do we multiply next? We multiply the 4 by the 3. So therefore, 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. And we're going to put the whole of that number in. So 128 is the answer to 32 multiplied by 4. Now, this is where it gets a bit tricky. So 24 multiplied by 5. You can play this, pause it, try to answer, and then play it. So this is how you should have done this one. We're going to do, yes, you've guessed it, 5 multiplied by the 4. Now, that's 20, so we've got a bit of a problem here. We're going to keep the 1s there, so we've got a 0. And what we're going to do, we're going to carry over the 2 into the 10s, and we're going to add it on. Okay? So now, what do we multiply next? You've guessed it, 5 and the 2. So we're going to 5 multiplied by 2. But don't forget the plus the 2, so we're going to add that 2 that we carried over. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. And we're going to now add that on. So 120, so 120. 24 multiplied by 5 equals 120. Here's another example, 34 multiplied by 3. You can pause this, try to answer, and then play it to see if you got it correct. This is what you should have done. So here we go. 3 multiplied by the 4. Now that equals 12. So what do we keep? You've guessed it. We keep the 1s. So the 2 we keep. And the 1 from the 10, we're going to carry that over and add that on. Now, what do we multiply next? You've guessed it. The 3 multiplied by the 3. So 3 multiplied by the 3 equals 9. But don't forget that plus the 1. So we're going to do 9 plus the 1. And that gives us 10. So 34 multiplied by 3 equals 102. That should have been your answer. That was the column method multiplication. Thank you for watching. Kapow WoW Learning.